First, it was selling bathwater. Then, it was selling farts in a jar. Now, it's burping in perishables for free in the grocery store. And if this is not God's plan, then I don't know what is, because this is just heaven on earth right now. If you don't know, we're going to talk about the Burping Girl on YouTube. I had the pleasure of finding this channel on Instagram on a beautiful Monday morning. So I figured I'd share it to everybody. And I just want to warn you right now, if you probably saw in the intro, but if you can't handle that type of burping, I don't know how you're going to make it throughout this video, because this just gets worse. It gets worse from here. So, without further ado, let's look at what got me hooked.
Hey everybody, it's your favorite burping girl, and today we're at the grocery store and we're gonna be burping on your groceries. Burp on that mac and cheese. Burp on your zesty salsa. Burp on your...
There's just a woman behind her witnessing her burp on... What was that? Creamy butter. She just burped all over this creamy butter, and she probably put the cream in the butter. That's what it is. But look at this. She did not enjoy that at all. You could tell she hated this. I mean, I would too. But this is next level.
Burp on your...
That sound, bro. I'm gonna be honest. This makes me so queasy, and that sound at the end, it just sounds like she's about to throw up. It's nasty.
mashed potatoes. I bet you wish you could buy all the products that I just burped on, huh? Too bad. I know that sounds so stupid.
I would pay top dollar to buy all those products. I need to figure out, if you guys can figure this out, I need to figure out where the grocery store is so we can buy all of that products. I don't care if she burped on it or not. I want to buy the tiles she walked on. I need to get a sniffing machine so I can capture the smell. I need this. She just did a drive-by on the woman again. She's truly a professional, you have to admit. Now, this video isn't even her most famous video, shockingly. There isn't a higher tier burp video above this. And you would think, what's better than burping in a grocery store on the boxed items and the salsas and the potatoes and the kidney beans? Can't get better than this, but ladies and gentlemen, it gets 10 times better than this.
Hey everyone, it's your favorite... Ooh. Hey everyone, it's your favorite... Oh, burping girl.
Yeah. How's it going?
Girl, Andrea, and today we have some corn nuts, barbecue flavor. Ooh.
You have to wonder what she eats to get this gaseous, and I literally think about it day and night after discovering her. It's her breath, first of all, must smell so bad constantly. Her bowel movements cannot be right. She has to be at least like shitting like 10, 20 times a day. This is an insane amount of gaseous food you're eating. I have chronic heartburn, and if I eat like a bowl of french fries, I get heartburn. I can't imagine how she lives her life. This is insane.
Ooh, they're pretty stinky on their own.
So this is definitely a fetish channel. I mean, that was just... What the... It's kind of hot. This kind of hot. That was like 5 seconds. That is insane. She probably has like a world record on burping. If there's no world record already, she definitely should compete for it because I think she'd win single-handedly. This is amazing. I like how she makes this feel so interpersonal. It's like I'm actually there and she's burping onto me. It's like I can feel it. I can actually smell it right now. Like this is she's unlocked my sixth sense. This is eye-opening. Truly. I She fogged up the camera. You know that burp has to rank. That is foul. It's foul.
Fun.
Even she knew. Even she knew that was disgusting. Oh my. So she's a masterclass at her types of videos. I mean, she's truly the best type of burp creator that I've found so far. And believe me, I've been trying. I really have been. This is top tier content right now. Now, I know what you're thinking. A person with this amount of talent is just wasting by only just burping and farting. She needs to be able to create some type of skit where it's about burping onto someone and them smelling their burps. Otherwise, it's a wasted talent. And let me tell you, she's one step ahead of you. Of course, she has a burping skit.
I love that movie.
Yeah,
That movie was
pretty awesome.
amazing.
Yeah, I agree. It's pretty cool.
I love the popcorn more though.
Yeah.
But it kind of makes my breath stink.
It's all good. So, do you think, like, before you go, I can get a good night kiss from you?
You don't just ask, like you just do it. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Every girl's nightmare. Every guy's dream.
Wow, that was huge.
I'm so sorry.
I mean, that'd be my same reaction if a girl burped in my face. I mean, it would be immediately followed by, oh, whoa, that was huge.
I don't know what it is about popcorn that makes me burp so much.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah, I can tell. Man, I don't know if he's being forced to be in this skit or he enjoys the burp, but top tier acting. I mean, he's better than me. Maybe he's not acting. Maybe he's enjoying it.
Whoa, damn! That was pretty long. Damn.
You like those?
Yeah.
Do you want to have a burp competition?
Sure.
You first.
Nope.
What the hell was that?
My turn. I didn't like that. I didn't like that at all. I don't want to be a part of this competition anymore.
What was that?
That was weak. That's what that was.
Pitiful burp, dude. Such a pussy burp. What the fuck?
That was a baby one. Now your turn.
Nope.
That was it?
That was it.
You saw that? You saw that 5 seconds ago? He's gonna go get the police because he sees two adults sitting in the car having a burp contest. He doesn't know if this is nefarious, if this is some cult thing, or if this is like a weird sex thing. But he just knows he needs to call the police because he needs an adult. He can't fathom what he's looking at right now.
Wow.
I'm the winner.
Every burp, she amazes me. I can't imagine what it takes to maintain such skill, such class, such beauty. I mean, really, this is kind of turning me, just a little bit.
Yes, you are.
I don't know what it is, but
That's got to be the longest one yet. That is insane. full frontal. No warning. This man went. He loved every second of that, and I wish I was in his shoes. This is. I just want to be him. I want to be with her. She's my everything.
Tell the audience what it smells like.
Mountain Dew.
For you. All for you.
Cheetos.
He's inhaling the burp. He wants to eat it. He wants to metabolize the burp. This man's having the time of his life with this. Oh my god.
That was
Foul. I can't. I can only keep up the persona for so long. That is foul. Burping into someone's mouth and going like a good night kiss, except it goes straight into their lungs. He can't get it out. He's suffocating on a burp right now. He said it tastes like Mountain Dew, Cheetos. That last one probably tastes like a Whopper Jr. I don't even.
so freaking hot. That Burping Girl Andreas.
What?
So, that's the weirdest roleplay I've ever seen, and I can only wait till the next time she drops because it's gonna be another banger. You already know. The best way I can think of to end this video is to see how long I can burp, and to do that, I have this sun-kissed, warm sun-kissed can, and I'm gonna chug it as fast as I can, and hopefully I don't throw up when I try to burp. The meatiest burp I've ever had. All right, let's go. Oh, that was not worth it.